Hello, what's up, good people? Welcome to another video. I'm your girl Meeshee, back again with another video. I know it's been a while since I put up content. I know the previous content and you people came out from me in the comment section. Ati remove the Christmas tree. Aki, that content I had shot it like early January, so I just been having storage issues with transferring the video to be able to post it on YouTube. But anyways, it's up there, and I love the comments that you people, at least you guys, interacted with me and keep it on to give me like to continue doing this. So on today's video, kindly just ignore the outside movement. In today's video, I want us to make samosas, and I felt I want to do the intro here and then we move to the kitchen. So let's go so that I can show you what we will use and what we will need and all that, and how I'll be able to do this the most easiest way I was able to hack it. Yeah, so let's go. So what I will need is a little of mincemeat. This is just from the fridge. I will need flour. This is where I've put my flour. I'll need onion and some, what is this called, kitungu saumu, but this one I'll need them later. So I'll start with putting this one to my pan. I'm going to use these ones. I hope you can remember this. This is what I'm going to use to just boil it a little bit. So I'll let that one boil as I am making a paste down here. So in this part, you're going to just use flour, salt and water. I'm using cold water. It does not matter the water you're using. So I'm just using room temperature water and salt to give taste to the pocket that you're going to make for the samosas. I'm making this mixture not too heavy, not too light, to just like something in between, in the middle, like the way you make mixtures for pancake. And then what I went ahead is just to heat the pan before you put the mixture on the pan. And I'm using the brush spoon from the silicone spoons that I got from Kamkunji. In case you did not watch that video, I'll link it up below so that you can go ahead and watch what I got from that package. And then one tip on this to consider is do not put a lot of flour on the pan. Just go in slowly by slowly to just make a round form of like chapatish. Yeah, and let it heat for a while. Chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me. So what I'll do, I'll go in with the spoon to just pick it up. It will just come out. Remember, in this pan we did not even put any oil. It's just a plain pan. And yeah, just like that you're able to make pockets for the samosas easily. So continue watching and enjoy. You know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. As we had let the mincemeat boil, now I went in with my cooking oil, preferred cooking oil, to just stir it down and to just make it yummy. And then For me, I chose not to have a lot of spices. What I went on with is chopped onions and chopped kitungu saumu, garlic, and then I'll let it steam for a while, and then I'll add royco with salt. Those I think are the only things I used, and also just to make it have a flavor, I did add um, blended tomatoes, and yeah, that's what I really added in the mincemeat.
You know, I wanna treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh, love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
As you can see, that is how my chapatis stroke pockets came out. They were very light. I loved the end results. Knowing that I'm doing this for the first time, man, I love the end results of it, and it was just so amazing. So I'm just sorting them out so that I can be able to make the pouches with you. And yeah, let's see how I'll go ahead and do it.
Oh, you've got me.
The process here is very easy. Now you're just in like this last part, so we're just going to fold. I'm showing you how to fold the chapati. One, I did cut it into half, and then I used one half to make the pockets of one samosa, and I used the mixture that remained to be a sealer of my pockets. You know the way you make those mixtures for sticking things on the road or something. Yeah, such a mixture. And then I just ahead to stick it in, and to also make sure all the corners are tucked in fully so that it cannot allow a lot of oil to the mincemeat. So yeah, that's how it turned out to be. I will let you guys watch the method I'm using. It's just folding it into half to make a triangle, and it's that easy. No hard work. These samosas were not as hard to make as the way samosa seems hard to make. That you're just planning for a full half day to do all that. This was one of the most easiest way I did used to make these pockets, and pockets are one of the hardest things to be able to come up with. So that's literally how I'm going to do it, and I'll show you how we put in the samosas and then we tuck in. So continue watching and enjoy.
You got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up.
As you can see, I'm now putting in the mincemeat after I have stir fry it. Try to make sure at least it has dried off the water from maybe the tomatoes, just in case you use the tomatoes so that it can be free. And then as you've seen, I've just picked one side that is smaller. I've tucked it in, and then I've left one side to flip, yeah, to flip it off to the other side. So I think you've seen what I've done and you've got what I've done. I'll let you watch and just see it out. How I'm going to do the pockets perfectly. I loved the end results. I loved that I could be able to make the samosas without feeling tired and complaining about it and complaining how tiresome it is. So I just loved everything that came with the samosas. And also I was just in the mood of cooking. Yeah. So comment down below in case you like this kind of content. We'll be cooking and trying new hacks with new people. So in case you are a fan or a food lover like me, comment down below and let me know if you will try this method of cooking samosas. And in case you try it out, kindly comment down below how it went for you. Did you get tired? Did it come out perfectly the way you wanted them to come out? Or what was just your experience? So continue watching and enjoy. See you on the last part as I review all the how the samosas turned out to be.
Left a message, forward my call. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't
So
catch
juicy.
oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I need
Crunchy,
you
yummy,
anywhere if you brought me closer
amazing.
to
This is good
you.
for snacking.
Distance is killing me.
I'll
Let's
recommend.
go.
I will recommend.
Won't you let me love you, babe?
Hmm. So
Used
hi
to
guys,
think
this is how my
these days just a minute
samosa turned out to be. I
got
only
me
made 10 samosas. I think within to say my less than an hour and like 20 minutes I was able to make 10 samosas. So this is how it turned out to be. It's so yummy. And yeah, so I think that's a simple hack for you to always be making the bags of the samosas, because I know people hate to cook samosas because of the process of making the bags. But since I saw that hack, I felt I should try it with you, and then we see. I've never done this method. This is the first time, and I feel this will be my way of making samosas. I am not even sacrificing my time again to learn a new method, because before I had learned a method of baking, but I feel baking takes a lot of time because now you have to set a timer, you have to wait for the packet, for the roll, for the what will I call the chapatis or pancakeish. You need to bake, and then make the pockets. So I felt like that one is a bit more hectic, unlike this one. So kindly comment down below what you feel about this method. Will you try it or not, or is it a go for you? And in case you try it out, kindly comment down below, and your comments is highly appreciated. So without further ado, I think I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.
got me chasing waterfalls.